Around 1495, Leonardo da Vinci, the renowned Italian artist, scientist, and architect, designed a tunnel. After extensive investigation, its actual site was discovered in Milan, beneath the Sforza castle from the 15th century. Researchers from the Polytechnic University of Milan uncovered the hidden tunnel shown in Leonardo's artwork. Excavations beneath the castle revealed a passage that matches Da Vinci's depiction, solving a mystery that lasted nearly 600 years. It's thought that Leonardo's tunnels were intended to help soldiers escape rapidly if the castle's defenses failed during an attack. The university team is still mapping the castle's underground using radar and laser scans, a project running from 2021 to 2023, inspired by Vinci's sketches from before and after 1495. News of the tunnel's discovery was reported globally, renewing recognition of Da Vinci's remarkable architectural abilities. Historical records show that Da Vinci lived at Sforza Castle as part of Duke Ludovico's court in the late 1400s. The castle, begun in the 1300s, was decorated by Da Vinci at the Duke's request. Francesca Baiolo, a historian at Milan Polytechnic, said Da Vinci's expertise in military infrastructure and security led the Duke to trust him with the castle's decoration. While at the castle, Da Vinci designed a defensive structure that researchers believe closely matches the Sforza castle's layout. Baiolo also noted that such discoveries highlight the deep historical roots of Italian cities and the importance of reconstructing the past accurately. Da Vinci's drawings clearly show the main part of the castle and several connecting paths. Over centuries, the Sforza castle in central Milan has been expanded, altered, and partly demolished, with only a sixth remaining today. Francesca Fiorani, an art history professor at the University of Virginia, disagrees with the Milan team, saying Leonardo's architectural drawings were often more advanced than actual construction, so more research is needed to confirm the tunnel's match. Besides the tunnel, Leonardo also designed a modern version of Milan during the 1484 plague, staying in the city while most nobles and rulers left. Leonardo stayed in his Sforza Palace studio with a few students, observing that poor urban planning and sanitation contributed to the epidemic's spread. Back in his studio, Leonardo drafted a plan for a modern Milan, featuring better sewers, drainage, wide streets, a main road, and a large canal with a lock gate. Researchers also found brick walls and curved ceilings under the castle, suggesting more hidden structures that are difficult to map.